What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. What I want to talk about today is why passive income is not only a myth, it is bullshit. You've been lied to your whole life about what passive income can be and why everyone has been lying to you about the whole notion of income you can make passively. So let me tell you a quick story today. It's been a hell of a day. 10 o'clock in the morning, I get a phone call saying that the ATM location that I have set up at a cannabis dispensary in Northern California is doing its grand launch. So it had its grand opening today. Prior to that, it did a soft launch to where it was open for a few weeks just to iron out all the kinks and all the technicalities that come with selling weed legally in California. I've had my ATM location there, but today was the big day for the location to do its grand opening. Now, the thing is, no one told me that it would be hosting a grand opening today. I get a phone call from the team I work with the ATM supplier in the Sacramento area, saying, "Hey, Jacob, where are you right now? We're doing this grand opening. The owners are going to be doing this huge giveaway, this huge launch, and there's going to be hundreds of people out the fucking door ready to buy weed and also make a lot of ATM transactions." And at the time they called me, we were running one transaction every minute on the ATM machine. All the money I put in that ATM machine was depleting from $3,000 to $2,000 in the next 30 minutes to $1,000 the next 30 minutes. And when I got the call, I was actually 100 miles away, literally 100 miles away from the location. I was just chilling in the bay, hanging out with some friends, making deals, making big moves for October. I'll explain all of that in another video. But the dilemma was, Jacob, we've got this huge opening. You need to refill the machine ASAP, and you are 90 minutes away. What the fuck are we gonna do? So, I won't lie, I was a little bit pissed off with the news because no one told me that there was going to be a launch going on, and whether I liked it or not, I had to drive 100 miles to refill the ATM. Okay, so on the drive, I was, I won't lie, I was fuming. I was like, I thought this ATM business was supposed to be like completely passive to where I would just have to refill the machine once or twice a month. This is crazy. How come, my team didn't let me know or communicate to me effectively that there was going to be a huge need for a lot of cash for the ATM machine for one day or for the weekend perhaps too. And what it came down to, the ATM machine did run out of cash completely for an hour, but I kept my cool. I stayed objective. I was like, hey guys, don't worry, we're going to handle this. I have cash that we can use for the ATM machine. Even though it was today's a Saturday at the time I'm filming this, we will be able to get the money out of the bank on time, get to the location and refill it. So, long story short, I end up pulling over $11,000 of my own cash, and I make it to the ATM machine and refill that bad boy. And if those of you who follow me on Instagram and Facebook have seen what over $10,000 in 20s looks like. It's a lot of envelopes. It's a lot of stocks, a lot of stacks, a lot of bands. So we got that taken care of. And long story short, everything's good to go. I'm going to be monitoring the cash level over the weekend of the machine. And man, I was not ready today to work. And the thing is, guys, whenever anyone pitches you a true passive income opportunity, the notion that passive income means literally 0% work or 0% upkeep or maintenance, unless you are completely delegating everything to a team, to your manager, and cutting into your margins that way, what have you, to some degree, you will be having to engage in your business for it to not only grow, but even to operate and maintain. So the big takeaway here, guys, is you got to shift your mindset that I'm going to quit my job. I'm going to develop these passive income streams, and I'm going to have these multiple income streams set up to where I never have to work. I never have to even lift a finger and get out of bed, and I can just sleep around and play video games on my laptop all day and all night without a worry. If that were true, I don't think I'd even be involved with like making YouTube videos to grow out the channel and to grow out the brand, right? So, thing is, guys, when you're doing Kindle publishing, at least in the very beginning, you're going to do a hell of a lot of work just to get started in understanding how the platform works, what keyword research entails, how to produce a quality book, how to do market research, how to set up effective ads. Brand building is another big one. You are going to have to do so much work up front, and initially you are either going to make relatively little money, unless you're lucky, or even for your first book or even your first 2 or 3 books, you might even lose money on the front end. So you are investing time and even your own money to learn how the game works with Kindle publishing. When it comes to the ATM business, it's no different. You will have to supply the machine with money. Yes, it is very awesome to just make money from the transaction surcharges that take place with the machine. And today, the machine was making $60 an hour for me. So I really can't complain too much. And with the thinking about that, guys, you got to shift your mindset to where it's not about you want to quit your job so that you can not work. It's that you want to quit your job so that you can live closer to the life you want, closer to the ideal you in terms of your lifestyle and towards what your day-to-day will look like. Now, again, if your day-to-day is going to be being able to play more video games for leisure, okay, so obviously when you work a job, you're not going to be able to play much video games at all. With developing passive income, you can play more video games, but when it comes down to it, you're still going to have to work. So what you got to do, guys, is shift your mindset towards, I'm going to have to still work, but I'm going to have a better life. I'm going to be able to call my shots as far as what as more time freedom, location freedom of when and where you work from, and also being able to hopefully eventually reach financial freedom to where you're not chasing paycheck to paycheck, and you're able to build up liquidity, build up cash, and invest in either equities or other income streams that can make you passive income. Won't lie, it takes a lot of work. It's gonna perhaps take a few years to get it down pat and to be comfortable, so to speak, with everything going on with learning how a passive income can operate for you, how to learn the platform that you're utilizing to make income, and how to also manage the finances and cash flow you're involved in with running your business. But once you have all that set up, and what I realized once I'm now at a point where I have everything set up more or less to a degree, I'm able to live a life where, yes, I still work, but I'm not working every day, 10 hours a day. I'm not even working every day, 4 or 6 hours a day. Now, if the time comes where I have to drive 100 miles to refill an ATM machine, that is part of the game. That is part of the lifestyle that comes with passive income. If I have to update 60 books myself, if I have to upload 60 audiobooks myself because either my VA is on vacation or is just not being responsive, and it has to be done now. It can't wait. You can't delegate it. It has to be done right fucking now. Okay, so you're gonna face these scenarios multiple times over throughout the year. This year, you're doing passive income, and through next year, if you're just getting started out and you want to know more of how Amazon Kindle publishing works along with other income streams. So I don't want to be a broken record, guys, but please shift your mindset towards, not aiming to be lazy, but instead you are building an empire. You are going to be still working, but to get closer to the ideal life you want. Okay, and let's be real, guys. If your goal is just to laze around at home all day, do you think your wife wants you all day at home? Do you think your children really want you all day at home every day? I don't know. Maybe not. I mean, that's just crazy to me. So keep working at it. Keep working hard. Build up, build up, build up. And guys, because today was such an awesome day with the ATM, it's just cashing a lot of money. I'm going to give you a coupon code if you're interested in learning how to start your own ATM business with my course, EliteATMEvolution.com. Link is below. Coupon code is below. Until then, guys, enjoy the next videos, and I will see you later. Take care.